Ooh. Dapat natingin ka.
Did you have a good day with us? Well, thank you for coming. But if you did not, we are still very much appreciative of your presence. On behalf of the Sint Maarten Tourist Office, the Harbour Holding Group of Companies, this company, Connecting Wave Envy, we would like to tell you thank you very much. Folks, we have a saying that says, wind and wave may tip the boat, but only you could tip the crew. Folks, if you don't have a wristband, you will have to pay $5 at the ticket booth when you get off the boat. Enjoy the rest of your cruise safely, enjoy the rest of your life, and watch your step as you exit the boat. God bless you all.
Oo nga eh. Naka-metal din siya.
Metal yun,
Metal. Metal sink.
Watch it! One at a time. One at a time, man. Take it easy.
Ooh!
Oh my lord! You guys gotta look down, guys. Watch me your face and your